di ahwehwe edwadie nkratoa mu agye atum se eye.
First of all, before we start review on this new commercial, it's been on TV for a while. I'm sure you've seen it. I'm sure you've watched it on social media, but it keeps blowing your mind. You don't actually get the points they're trying to make. But me surprised in the FDA, why should I approve? Yes. I mean, this is not to bring down anybody's business. It's just a mere review, reaction, breakdown about commercials. We are doing it to entertain ourselves, to educate and inform people. I'm not the best, I'm not good at this, but sometimes we have the eyes to see what is good or what is bad. Starts and I share the ins and outs, the common sense and the non-common sense in this commercial. Let's go.
Capito,
first of all, in the first place, who will go to town with a baby and leave the baby somewhere else and make a call? Or your main street or reality, it be main street, you know, be say it be outside somewhere where you go feel, it be just your house compound where you go feel. This be main street where this woman he make call where he left him picking for baby carrier or say baby walker inside, say make the baby relax. But let's see what happens. Nadi or a V8 engine or the man. See the way the baby carriers, the baby walker they run. Then see the woman in speed. Yeah, it be 4 ties. If he be faster past human being, but I mean looking at the land and the slope, they make sense. I don't know about you. Big shout out to Kobiche, also who sent them. Now, embassy Afia was he carried it to what a small one. There were men there playing draft to them. They saw this. When I was better to what to way. Ya father what the way concerned citizens of Ghana. It's was a biobo could be a wobedechi. But ya father, I mean good Samaritans, so they need to follow up and help a sister in order not to lose a child or a baby. Or a future leader, or a credit. What's in it? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Into when I drive will come with dummy speed, it get a 4Runner, not a drive or town with this speed. Now, baby, when a baby a car fee. You know, be likely say go hit them. But Advert him on say baby career no say baby, so every you. Hey, we are miracles, no wonders dread. Let's watch the next scene. It's interesting, eh? Got a commercial, so Bobo. Hey, a Ubusli that Jack Chada. So if you take Quado class, the variables they are coming from the judo a class or whatever. You see this thing running around, and the first thing you do is to flip. Flip. Fatih Bakari web buninchi, another web bamonzen. Story about guy. Shout outs to you. Yeah, show boys the miracles are obeying. Padiro Guero, you sent both to the cousin. Watch it, baby, in the air shazo. Every you waste time. You asham wasam. This is pure nonsense. Pure nonsense. Pure nonsense. There. Say Koto supermarket in Pa. One fan shall rubber monkey tower. At the bottle, baby carry man coffee wa kumetu. Now when that concept you crowd coffee way. Ah, our mads on the answer kakronya logic kakre and I am connected. I mean, there have been great commercials in this country from APS and Incel and those companies and all that. Why are woman answer can bring? Hey, custom choreography. Custom information talk. Wow, how come you can all say and so when you go when you all coming from different and various places, man? This doesn't look like it's sensible at all. But a lion, I say your own be something, but this one be something. Yeah, commercially.
And so minimum da Capito bitters. Ya di nubna and a manai.
Yeah, distiller. No more one eja. Into when you mola when you my dancer. Into us, and so we minimum da. Or both for senior man or today. I better not tell me Kada who same boats in catcher. A petition say Capito bitters. Hey!
Ah, him out on Benyadi.
Esu be yi je no.
Wo jare.
Eyi be yi je no. Obi nan saro koda aka chairman. Oy den no mo wenyu age. What kind of foolish happiness is this?
Wo jare.
Kwasi eyi je dam no so. Ofinyi. Yo. My man. Bye.
Capito bitters Capito bitters.
Na Captain Band no fin.
Wo jare.
Get all your more GS, Ada. Hey, how you feel beat somebody for roadside and give up Captain Band? Nah, and you be the best share out there or your body. Oh, you're a day I'll go for. Got advert for the especially the bitters advert. Chai, yeah, share there, yeah. It's a sound now.
Wo jare.
Oh, yeah. Crabba na was ashin suma na da or bottle na was ashin su. No madam soundy. Ebe, you dey pour drink, you dey hear pro. Ebe, mama won fire na shabola mo. Ye we boy ye children o. Ye Charles. Papa mo be say Charles. Ye Charles.
Capito bitters.
But it have bitters. We all know say bitters it be bitter. That be why they call them bitters. My guy can't drink bitters. They smile to us say, either when you are friend and blue to say gulenu. Oshini.
No me answer. One time any pa only if you do watch.
And one thing I don't know if you took note of this thing. In Serbia, what can they? It is not meant for pregnant women and other. When I wear my from the Nufunade. So meaning that you having this baby carry or walking. You have a baby at home. Nana Munekita Capito bitters. Baby. Yam putting I'm on finance commercial from. Anyway, follow me on TikTok, DJ Pakorich videos. Also on Instagram at DJ Pakorich. Facebook, DJ Pakorich. And YouTube at Range Media GH. Subscribe. Let's share our thoughts. Let's share our thoughts. And be who commercial that you want us to talk about it. Just tell me the name. I'll look for it. Then we review it, react to it. See you in the next episode. Boom.